How to add a background to a WhatsApp video call. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open a chat from here. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on the video call icon. On this screen, you can mute the call or turn the speaker on from the bottom panel. Go over to the bottom panel and tap on the three dots. You can share the screen or send a message from here. Now, go to the right side of the screen and tap on the filters icon. Here, you can add filters, effects, and a background to this video call. Go to the bottom and tap on Backgrounds below the Capture button. Explore all the available backgrounds over here. Then, choose a background from here and tap on it. Following these steps, you can easily add a background to a WhatsApp video call.